To find every Wi-Fi password you've ever used, click on the Windows search icon and then type in CMD. Then you click on it to open it. Go ahead and enter this command which reveals every Wi-Fi network you've ever connected to. Enter netsh space wlan space show space profile. I'll leave all the command in the description so that you can easily copy and then use them. Once you are done typing this command, press enter on your keyboard. This will reveal every Wi-Fi network you've ever connected to. Now for any specific network, retrieve the password by using this command. Enter netsh space wlan space show space profile space then in quotes. Enter the Wi-Fi name. So I would like to see the password for iPhone. So I'll just enter iPhone in quotes, then space key, then the equal sign, then clear. Once you are done, you press enter on your keyboard. Then under security settings, you get to see the security key if present, and then the key content as well. So this is the password for that iPhone profile. Now that's the end of this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and then subscribe for more PC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.